Hello everyone, Namaskar. Hope you all are good. So, let's start the revision of chapter number 12. In this video, we are going to discuss short and long question answers of chapter 12. Okay? So, let's start the class with a small prayer. So, everyone join your hands. Close your eyes.
भूर्भुवस्वः
भूर्भुवस्वः
तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं
तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं
भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ
So let's start with short question answer. Number first, what does air contain? So dear kids, आपको यहाँ पे लिखना होगा कि air में क्या क्या है. What does air contain? We all know that air is all around us, right? So we have to write in this question, what does air contain? Air के अंदर क्या चीजें हैं? Right? So what we will write? Air contain, see everyone, air contain gases. Right? Air में ऑक्सीजन है, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड है, नाइट्रोजन है, and so many other gases. Because air is a mixture of gases. So air contains gases. Then smoke है. Yes, air contains gases, smoke, dust, right? Germs, water vapor. So these are the things that air contains. Air के अंदर ये सारी चीजें हैं. So how we will write this answer? Air contains smoke, dust, germs, water vapor and gases. In this way you are going to write the answer. Air contains smoke, dust, germs, water vapor and gases. Second one, define weather. So here we have to give the definition of weather. Right? Weather की definition क्या है वो आपको यहाँ पे बतानी है. So what is weather? The day-to-day condition of air at any place at a particular time is called weather. So how we will write this answer? The day-to-day condition of air at any place at a particular time is called weather. Right? So, say everyone, the day-to-day condition of air at any place at a particular time is called weather. Learn हो गया सबको? Now let's move to third one. List the factor that affect the weather of a place. Here we have to write the names of the factor which affect the weather of a place. Right? How it affect? कैसे वो affect करता है? And वो भी कौन से factors? We have to write the names of the factors. So, the factor that affect the weather of a place are sun, wind, clouds, air and water vapor. Right? These are the factors which affect the weather of a place. कौन से? Sun, wind, clouds, air and water vapor. I hope कि आपको ये आंसर आ गया होगा. कौन से फैक्टर्स है डियर किड्स? Yes, you have to name it. Okay, so now let's move to number 4th. Write 2 lines about sunny days. So here we have to write the 2 lines about sunny days. Simple. So we have to write the 2 lines. So number first, on sunny days, the days are hot and bright. Yes or no? Hot and bright होता है. So on sunny days, the days are hot and bright. Second line, we prefer staying indoors. Yes, हम ज्यादा करके घर के अंदर ही रहते हैं. We prefer staying indoors to avoid the heat of the sun. Yes, ज्यादा धूप ना लगे हमको सन से बचने के लिए what we do, we prefer to stay indoors. You kids also, you all play indoors game. आउटडोर गेम में आपको पसंद ही नहीं आता है. आप लोग ऐसे साइकिलिंग रोज करते होंगे, बट इन समर टाइम you don't like it because the days are very hot and bright. Yes? Next, number 5th. Name the main seasons in India. So here we have to write the name of main seasons in India. Right? कौन से seasons main है उसके हमें names लिखने हैं यहाँ पे. So 5 main seasons are there. 4 main seasons are there. Not 5, 4. Summer, monsoon, winter and autumn. Right? कौन से 5 main seasons है? Summer, monsoon, winter and autumn are the 5 main seasons in India. Okay, these are the 4 main seasons of India. Summer, monsoon, winter and autumn. Now, number 6th one. What type of clothes do you wear in the summer season? So, what type of clothes we wear? समर सीजन में हम कैसे क्लोथ्स पहनते हैं? The answer is we wear light color cotton clothes. Right? कैसे कपड़े पहनते हैं हम in summer season? We wear light cotton clothes in summer as they help us to stay cool. वो कपड़े हमें cool रखते हैं. That's why we like to wear light color cotton clothes in summer. Yes? Understood this 1 to 6 short question answers, everyone? See, these are very important. You should learn it. At least short question answers आप लोग सारे learn कर ही लो. Okay? So now let's move to long question answer. Long answer question. Number 1st, what is evaporation? How is it important in the process of water cycle? So here first of all we have to write what is evaporation, right? And then वो कैसे help करता है in the process of water cycle and how much it is important, right? Question समझ में आया आपको? पहले आपको लिखना है what is evaporation and then the important, how it is important in the process of water cycle. So how we will write the answer? Evaporation is the process of changing of water into water vapor on heating. Right? Evaporation क्या है? It is the process of changing water into water vapor. And how it is important? The sun heats up the water in the water bodies such as ocean, sea, rivers and lakes. And the water which is evaporated, it turns into water vapor. Right? अब evaporation क्या है? It is the process of changing water into water vapor. Right? अब इसमें क्या होता है? The sun heats up the water in the water bodies such as oceans, seas, rivers and lakes. And the water which is evaporated, it turns into water vapor. Right? So, understood this answer? Second one, describe the water cycle. So here we have to write and we have to describe the full process of water cycle. Okay? So these answer we are going to write point wise. Right? Point wise हम describe करेंगे about water cycle. So अब इसमें first क्या होता है? The sun heats up the water in the water bodies. सन क्या करता है? इट हीट्स अप द वाटर. जो भी वाटर बॉडीज में जितना भी वाटर है, इट इज गेटेड हीटेड. राइट? एंड द वाटर इवापोरेट्स एंड टर्न्स इनटू वाटर वेपर. हमने अभी देखा इवापोरेशन क्या है. इट इज द प्रोसेस ऑफ चेंजिंग वाटर इनटू वाटर वेपर. सो लाइक दैट वे जब सन हीट करेगा वाटर को, so the water will get evaporated and it will turn into water vapor. फिर अब क्या होगा? जो water vapor है, it rises up into the air and cools. Right? Water vapor अब क्या होगा? It will rises up. ऊपर जाएगा. Yes, into the sky and it will cool there. The water vapor in the air condenses, yes, to form tiny droplets of water. Now water vapor air में जाके condense होगा, cool होगा and it will form tiny droplets of water. The droplets of water in the clouds join to form big drop of water. फिर जितने भी droplets of water होंगे, they will join and they will form the big drop of water. This much understood? First, the sun heats up the water will evaporate, then the water vapor will rises up in the air and then cool. Yes, then tiny droplets of water, they will form and they will form a big drops of water. Then when the water drops in the clouds become heavy, they fall down as rain. फिर जब ये big drops of water clouds में बहुत ही heavy हो जाते हैं, right? जब clouds वो उसको hold नहीं कर पाते हैं, at that time rain, the water which is there, it will fall down as rain. See, कभी कभी क्या होता है? As a rain it will form, but in some places it falls as a hail, snow, right? So the water that falls down as rain, hail or snow is called precipitation. उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? Precipitation. And the cycle of water is a continuous process which has been repeating itself. अपने आप ही repeat हो रही है ever since the sun was formed. जब से सन बना है तब से ये वाटर साइकिल की प्रोसेस है. इट इज कंटिन्यूइंग itself, right? अपने आप ही. So understood how we will describe the water cycle? First, you will write the sun heats up the water in the water bodies. The water evaporates and turns into water vapor. Third point, water vapor rises up into the air and cools. Fourth point, the water vapor in the air condenses to form tiny droplets of water. Then fifth point, the droplets of water in the clouds join to form big drops of water. Then when the water drops in the clouds become heavy, they fall down as rain. And the water that fall down as rain or hail or snow is called precipitation. Yes, the water cycle is a continuous process which has been repeating itself ever since the earth was formed. So understood how you will describe water cycle? You can write your own words, that is also okay. Now third one, write a few lines about the winter season. What kind of clothes are worn in this season? So you have to write about winter season and then what types of clothes we like to wear in this season. So first we will write 2 lines about winter season and then what type of clothes we wear. So it is the coldest season, सबसे cold season है. Yes, winter is the coldest season. सबसे cold ज़्यादा winter में ही होती है. And some places such as Kashmir and Shimla have a longer and severe winter season. Now some places, हमारे यहाँ पे तो सिर्फ 3 months की ही winter season होती है. But places like Shimla and Kashmir, they have a longer time, yes, for winter. And this time तो 3 month भी पूरे नहीं हुए हैं हमारे इंडिया में. अभी से ही इतनी गर्मी स्टार्ट हो गई है, समर स्टार्ट हो गया है. Yes. So first we will write 2 points about winter. It is the coldest season. And then some places such as Kashmir and Shimla have a longer and severe winter season. Then we wear woolen clothes in winter. हम कौन से clothes पहनते हैं? We wear woolen clothes in winter season as they help to keep us warm. So here we have completed the discussion of chapter number 12, short and long question answers. Okay. So bye kids, take care, have a good day.